soon as we can, let's flick our Bics.
That's all you ever want to do, but it's against the rules. And anyway, I'm hungry.
Now that you mention it, something to munch on will go great with the flick.
Just bring plenty of popcorn, soft drinks, and candy. Yum.
Are you sure that'll last you through the entire flick?
Maybe not. So order large size of everything and get doubles.
Oh, gosh.
It's okay. The intermission's coming up. You won't miss a thing.
Are you afraid of the dark? Of being alone? Or are you willing to explore the unknown, holding back your fear, allowing your natural curiosity to guide you, despite warnings? Disappearances. Premonitions. And the horrible feeling you have always been watched.
Someone there?
But what if this is a nightmare? And you are its prisoner. Silent scream. When the terror is so sudden, there's no time to scream.
Linda Githens, age 22. Valerie Hoffman, age 24. Mary Ann Stevens, age 21. They are all victims of the Toolbox Murders. The Toolbox Murders, a true story. Rated R.